If you buy your own health insurance, ask yourself this: what's the most important card in your wallet?
My Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield individual health insurance card.
Our Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield cards.
Without a doubt, my individual health insurance card from Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield.
Thousands of area residents carry the Anthem Individual Card from the division of Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield, dedicated to residents without group coverage.
No other card in my wallet is worth up to $2 million. My agent helped me choose the coverage I needed at a rate I could afford.
If you're self-employed, retired early, need family coverage, whatever your circumstances, we have a plan to meet your needs.
I didn't want to switch doctors just because we switched health insurance.
Now we have prescription coverage too.
Choose the plan you want. Enjoy the freedom you expect from a company trusted for decades. Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield.
When I show my doctor or specialist my card, there's never any question.
Just how can we help?
And it's great to know that even though I don't have group coverage anymore, I can still count on
Blue Cross and Blue Shield quality.
If you buy your own health insurance, call now to find out which Anthem individual plan may be right for you.